whenever I create a product, I think about it from the consumer standpoint. I'm like, okay, if I'm a brand new investor and, I'm on a budget, I can spend $500 or $1,000 a month. Okay, what are my options here? I can pull data, I can text, I can cold call. If I do it myself, we know how difficult that is.
Yeah.
If I hire a VA, that's going to cost me, $1,000 a month.
Yep.
So that blows the budget to get like one lead a day. Or I can go buy a lead pack for $250 or $500 right now.
Yeah.
And get 50 inbound leads. Now they're not in my market, but I don't know. Like I would rather buy that personally, just knowing what the leads are.
Yeah. That's an interesting concept. I think it's a good idea for any new person. I personally wouldn't do it.
What would you do if you were new?
Oh, shoot. Bandit signs, but those are hard too.
You really would do bandit signs?
I love bandit signs, dude.
Oh, bro.
I love bandit signs.
No.
It's so cheap and...
It's labor.
That's true. If you got to go put them up, that's the funniest part is I was like...
Well, you're on a budget. So you got to go buy the signs.
Yeah.
You got to go write your number on it and put them up.
Yep.
Get them taken down.
That's how we started. And
by the way, that might work in, Indiana. That don't work. That ain't going to work over here.
Yeah, you get sued. That's it. Yeah. That's the funniest part is that every strategy that works that's usually cheaper is usually you get sued and then you go under. So that is the risk.
Well, and the thing too with cold calling is it's good to cold call and get your reps in, but you'd never talk to anyone.
Yeah.
You're just kind of on the dialer chilling, hoping somebody answers. And then, 9 out of 10 don't even give you the time of day.
Exactly.
So you do have a conversation with one person,
Yep.
Who's interested.
Yep.
But with this, it's you're going to get 50 people who were interested.
Yeah, that's true. You got a lot. You're going to develop your skill set a lot more, which is a lot
way
better.
quicker.
Yeah, because that's the biggest thing that's difficult for people to learn is the difference between an actual motivated person and not, because then they're so used to getting turned down 9 times out of 10 that anybody express any kind of little tiny bit, they think, oh, that's a deal. And it's like,
no, bro.
No, it's still not.
By the way, 90 out of 100 of those are not going to be deals.
Exactly.
So you need to talk to 90 more.
Yep. And so, that is a good point. You would develop more skill set because they've already filled out a lead, because anybody that fills out a
inbound.
lead,
I don't care where they're at.
More. Yeah.
And now you have the ability to novate and sell nationwide. So it's to me, if I was starting out, and I'm biased, but it's dude, if I had $500 and I can go get 50 or 100 leads that were inbound,
yeah,
dude, I'm going to test my luck with those. And I'm going to at least get my reps in.
Yep. You're definitely learning really good.
Yeah. And
you're going to get one. I would think you would definitely get at least one deal. And then if it's a novation, you should make at least 30,000, I would guess. Our average novation, actually, I think our average novation is somewhere around 17.5 or something like that right now.